Woke up here in our hotel in Chatham, and today's our first day at Point Pelee. It's about 6:30 in the morning, and we are on our way. What's the bird you want to get this year, Ash?
Oh, I'd really like to get a picture of, what's the one that you saw in St. Catharines that we saw here but never get a picture of?
Northern Parula?
Northern Parula.
Hello.
January 2017?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Would you like a map at all today?
Sure.
There you go.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Free
It's
park
free!
admission. Discovery Pass.
First year we've ever not had to pay.
Canada's 150th anniversary. Free admission to all Parks Canada sites.
It's gonna be packed in here on Saturday. First bird of the trip, rose-breasted grosbeak. So we've been here for about 10 minutes, seen a red-breasted grosbeak, common yellow throat.
A wren. I don't know what. Did you ID the wren?
No, I couldn't.
No. A wren, a black and white warbler.
I hear a woodpecker.
I
Oh,
think
yeah.
it's just the trees.
Oh, or it's a tree moving. We've already ran into some familiar faces here.
Red
belly
belly.
woodpecker. So we're anxious to get going here. It's pretty cold and it's overcast, but I am full of coffee and ready to start shooting some birds.
It's supposed to clear up this afternoon and get sunny, so high of 14.
It is active right now. Just added orchard oriole, white-throated sparrow, and Ashley just found something else.
Just saw a palm warbler, just in the brush here, down close to the ground, off the lawn. So we just had quite possibly one of the best photographic experiences with a Scarlet Tanager. You know, just off the side of the path, nice and low on the ground. We followed him for a good, what do you say, like 20 minutes?
Yep.
Just taking solid pictures, getting some video.
Filled up the memory cards.
Yeah.
It's when they hang around for so long like that, you get to test out different exposures, ISO settings, angles, different poses, backgrounds.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about.
And if you don't get your best Scarlet Tanager when he's directly in front of you, then
He gave us every opportunity for an amazing shot. So active right now. Just spent another 20 minutes photographing a Cape May warbler. Remember, what's your thing you do with the Cape May warbler at? Bam?
bam!
That wasn't it.
No. black-throated green too.
Oh yeah, all of
Really,
the black-throated green. Lots of opportunities.
Lots of yellow runts. Don't even know where to shoot at this point. It's pretty awesome.
She said her heart beats slow, desolation road. I can relate, but I'm too scared to share my flaw. Tell me why your heart beats slow, and I'll tell you why I care so much. Release your demons on me. In exchange, I need your trust.
Agree that this year is by far the best first day at Pelee we've ever had in terms of number of species and overall action and the photo opportunities, with the latest bird being
we were shooting a blue-winged warbler. We were on the way back to the car for lunch and spotted him on the side of the path fluttering underneath a leafy plant, and just really great photo opportunities there. We hung around for a while. Took us so long to get back to the car that probably a good hour just stopping and shooting the birds that we were seeing on the way back to the car. So that's never a bad problem to have.
Ooh, upgrade.
And a new fridge.
And a new fridge. Woohoo! Upgrades to cabin 17.